Hello, Cormdale third graders. We are diving into math lesson 93 today. Today we're going to do two-step word problems like we did yesterday, but we're going to add the element of fractions to them. So it's very similar to what we did yesterday, but they're going to have fractions. So for these fraction problems, we're going to do an equation and we're going to draw a picture. So let's look at one together. There were 30 campers in the forest. 3/5 of the campers wore green life jackets. How many campers wore green life jackets? So first off, we need to solve and find out what 30 campers, was 30 in all, divided by 5 is. So we have 30 campers divided into 5 groups. How many campers in each group? So you guys know 30 divided by 5, because you know those multiplication facts so well, you probably already know that 30 times, or 5 times 6 is 30, right? 6 times 5 is 30. So if we have 5 groups of 6 campers, and I know that because it said 3/5 are life jackets, so this is where I got that 5, okay? So now I'm gonna draw a picture of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 groups, okay? And in each of these 5 groups, there's 6 campers. 6 in the first group, second, third, fourth, fifth. If I add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, I'm gonna get 30 total campers. Now, 3/5 or 3 of the 5 groups were wearing green life jackets. So these were green. 3/5 is green. That leaves me 2/5 down here that could be other colors. Okay? 3/5 of them were green. There's 6 campers in each of these groups. I've got 3 of them. How many were green? What's 6 times 3? 6 times 3 we know is 18. 18 what were green life jacket? 18 campers. So 3/5 of the campers were green life jackets. How many campers were green life jackets? 18 campers is your answer. So you did a division problem, you drew a picture, and then we did a multiplication problem to solve that one. Okay, let's look at one more. 2/3 of 24 toys needed batteries. This is a problem in our book, but it could be a problem in Mrs. Coffee's house right now. The Coffee family really likes to play games, and since we've been home together for a few weeks now, we've been playing a lot of games. So during the day, if we get our school done, sometimes we'll play games with the kids, and then of course in the evening, after dinner and everything, when Mr. Coffee's home, we all play games together. Some of our games need batteries, and our batteries are getting low because we've been playing them so much, so we've actually had to go and take our screwdriver and borrow batteries from one game to put in another game to play because we're low on batteries. So there's worse things to happen during quarantine, right? So 2/3 of the 24 toys needed batteries. I don't think we have 24 toys and games in my house that need batteries, but we do have quite a few. So how many toys needed batteries? So 2/3 of the 24 toys. So we've got 3 groups of toys. How many in each group? Let's find out. We're going to do that by taking 24 divided by 3. Do you know your multiplication facts? If not, you can sing your 3 song. Either way, you're going to get to the solution that 8 times 3 is 24. Nothing left. So there are 3 groups. Draw my picture. 1, 2, 3 groups. I have 8 in each group. 8 what in each group? 8 toys, because 24 toys. So each of these is toys. Could write it all the way down, but okay. And then we know that 2/3 of them need batteries. So 2 of the 3 groups need batteries. These other 8 in this last group, they must not need batteries, okay? So how many toys need batteries? If 2 groups of 8 need batteries, we take 8 times 2. We know that 8 times 2 is 16. 16 what need batteries? 16, these are toys, 16 toys. So we have 16 toys or games that need batteries. Our label's just toys for this problem, but that's how you solve it. So there's more on Math Lesson 95 for you to try to solve together today. Check your answers. If you don't get them right the first time through, try solving again. Ask your parents for help, ask me for help, and I'm confident that you will solve these well and then be ready for your math test 18 tomorrow.